gonna take a ride. We're actually gonna meet somebody here at Fort Pierce. They don't have a Ryker, but they have a Vanderhall Venice, something like that. I've never seen one in person. I've seen it online, but never seen one in person. So I'm gonna go see if I meet up with them real quick and take a quick little ride, see what we could, what kind of footage we could get for you. Alright, so I'm almost at the destination where I'm gonna be meeting Jason with his Vanderhall Venice. We're in Fort Pierce, about 25 minutes out from Port St. Lucie. They got nice piers, got a lot of stuff by the water that you can do. This is the downtown Fort Pierce area. It's gorgeous down here. I love being downtown Fort Pierce. Oh, there he is. Look at that thing. That thing is gorgeous. Wow, look at that. That thing. What's up?
How are you?
I'm good, brother. Wow, this thing is gorgeous.
It is. It's a 2022. I got lucky because it was like a 6-week or like longer wait. But I got somebody else's spot because they couldn't fulfill the finances on their end, so I kind of jumped in their spot. So.
Well, how long have you had it now?
I had it about almost a little shy under a month.
Oh, so you just got it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you had it a while.
No, I just literally got it.
Do you ride motorcycles at all or no?
Huh?
Do you have motorcycles or this is just kind of like a toy now?
I just kind of got this for a toy. I mean, what I usually drive is my Ram, black Ram. But it's nice. It's
yeah, these things are expensive though. I've seen them online.
Yeah, it has the turbo in it, so it gets up and go. I mean,
I've seen them online, and when I was back in Jersey, they had a dealer for 4-1, but I just never went. I think they used to rent them too. I don't know if they do out here. Do they do rentals on these things?
But they're kind of expensive. I think they're like $250 or $300 a day.
Really? Yeah.
It gets expensive. How long you been down?
I just got here August.
Oh, really?
I've been here 3 months, yeah. We're gonna take a quick little ride. He has other plans for today, but we're gonna try to make it out to up by the pier over there by the jetty. Bikes out here. That thing has been a showstopper. Made my Ryker look really bad, but nah, it's been really pretty cool to seeing how people gravitate to Vanderhall. This is probably like the 5th person that stopped. We've been here like 10 minutes, but look how cool.
And he actually somebody that actually.
That gentleman stopped and he said he's interested in buying one because I put my Ryker over here. I left him all by himself. Poor Ferrari. Nah, but I want it to be nice. Vanderhall it's a sweet ride, so but we're probably gonna get out tomorrow and ride a little bit, so you'll probably see a little bit more of the ride. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna start heading back to the house, and then tomorrow we're probably gonna take a longer ride. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's not a parking spot.
Well, I'm glad I'm moving.
Yep, that's for sure.
That thing looks amazing. Hear the turbo turn on. pretty much it. I took a ride. I met Jason. We got to see his Vanderhall Venice, whatever it is called. And tomorrow we're trying to see if we could get out and maybe have a longer ride and maybe go out to like Palm Beach or something. So stay tuned for that video.